welcome to my channel. My name is Zoe Luna, and I thought it'd be really fun to do like a really colorful, really pretty like 60s look. I'm gonna go back. No, I'm not doing a Bridget Bardot look. I will refer to that video down below in the description box if you want to check that out. If you're here for the first time, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a returning guest, welcome back. Thank you so much. I was going to Target and I found Revolution, and it's a brand that I've kind of heard of before, but I've never really tried their products, and their products are really affordable. I've thought that I would do, along with the makeup review, along with the makeup tutorial, I would do like a makeup review as well. I'm using the Revolution Reloaded Marvelous Matte palette. It retails for $7.99 over at Target. I love the colors and they're so bright, and that's what really inspired this like 60s look. We're going to be reviewing the makeup as well as doing a tutorial. I went ahead and did my foundation, my eyebrows, and my contouring, and I figured we'd just go ahead and start with the look. I'm going to create a flower on this eye and kind of a lower flower on this eye, so we'll see. So I'm just going to be outlining my left eye, and I'm going to be using just a regular black eyeliner. I kind of want that cartoony look. I don't want it to be super solely straight up 60s, but just kind of inspired by it. Spring is coming, and I feel like doing something really cute and really flowery. Do you like my new background? It's very last minute. All right. So let's do this. All right, so I'm just gonna follow the underlining of my eyebrows and create the center of the flower. And it doesn't have to be super perfect because you are gonna go in and blend in and put color in, so it doesn't have to be super perfect. You really just wanna get that outline, that initial outline going. So I've never been really good at doing like petals on flowers, so hopefully this one works out. I think I'm gonna do five. Let's see what 5 looks like. Well, I'll do as many. All right, so now that I have all the outlining done, I'm gonna start using color. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, so we'll see. I'm going to use NYX concealer palette as a base for the colors. And in the middle, let me actually see just how it feels without the color. I'm going to be using a kind of a eyeshadow C brush. This is from e.l.f. I've had this so long. Okay, so I've had this for so long. All right, so I'm going to use my finger to swatch this yellow shade over here. It's super pretty. It's super bright. Okay, came off really creamy. Ooh, I don't like, oh God, no. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm not excited. I don't know if you guys can see, you can see the yellow color, but it's so splotchy and it's so patchy. Like, look at that. Look at that. It's not pigmented at all. It's so that's so disappointing. Can you guys see that? There you go. That's so disappointing. It looks like you know how like you have a bruise and it's recovering and it turns like that really nasty yellow? I'm not excited. Oh God. Okay. So I'm just going to be taking that C brush and I'm just going to put it in the middle of the petal, I guess, or the flower. That swatch did not... Ooh, I'm very, very concerned that this is not going to be a good swatch. So I'm just trying to pack on as much color as I possibly can. Whew. I'm going to pack it. All right, I packed the color into the brush. Hopefully it has enough color. I'm so scared, you guys. I'm just, Okay, I'm going to be taking that yellow color and I'm just going to pack it in the middle of my eye. So let's see if I can do it with the viewfinder. I mean, it's not, I'm not thrilled with it. It's not like, you know, when you have a color, when you buy a color like yellow, you want it to pop. You want it to really soar. So right now I'm just kind of doing it without any base, but the next color I'm gonna see how that reacts with a base, because I am not impressed. I'm literally just packing the color. I'm not doing any swiping. I'm not doing any, you know, blending. I'm just literally just trying to pack that color on and make it as pigmented as physically possible. Maybe if I do like another like normal everyday look, how would that wear? I mean, for the price, it's not that bad. You know, it's $8, you know, but I don't know. I expected something a little bit more. It feels great on the finger though. It feels like a very creamy formula. I mean, it's not, see, on camera, it's reading off as like this greenish, sickly color. Oh God. And even in real life, I can see it. It doesn't pop off. It doesn't, it's not this pigmented. Like on camera, even on camera. Can you guys see that? Focus. All right. I don't know if you guys can see, but even on camera with the palette straight up with the color itself, it comes off as pretty yellow, maybe a little green, but pretty yellow. And it's just not coming out that way. Oh my God. Ugh. I'm not. It's just it looks so patchy. Like I'm trying to blend it, pack it, blend it, pack it, blend it, and it's coming off just super patchy. Just really patchy. I'm a little disappointed. I mean, the color's there, but it just doesn't feel nice. So the next color I'm going to be using, I don't know, I'm just going to pick a random color, maybe purple. Let's try a purple. Let's try purple. I'm going to be using a flat brush. This one is from BC Cosmetics. It's an angled shadow brush, and I'm going to use that. I don't know why they say it's an angled shadow brush, because clearly it's not. It is a flat brush. Can you guys see that? Okay, yeah. It is a flat shadow brush. I don't know why they would call it an angled brush, but I'm going to be using maybe the lightest color in the concealer. I want to get as much of a color payout as I can. All right, and then for this one, I'm going to be using one of my favorite brush. It's also, I don't even know, honestly, I don't even know what brand it's from. I've had this so long. This is one of my favorite brushes. This is a tapered angled eyeshadow brush. I love it for really smoking out the underlines and really giving out a bam smoke in your face. But it's BRCN09. That is the brush. I have no idea what brand it's from. But yeah, that's all right. So I want to keep with the bright and colorful theme. So I'm going to be using this darker purple, this maroony. Oh wait, no, wrong one. I'm going to be using this really bright purple. On camera, it almost reads like an indigo. Probably is, but in real life, it looks a lot more purple. Oh. Yeah, we'll use purple. Let me see how that swatches. Okay, it feels nice. It swatches really nice. I don't know if you guys can see that color. Don't mind, there's like yellow, and the yellow is getting everywhere. But I don't know if you can see that. That's a really like pretty purple. It reads off as very like indigo. It's really pretty. And then this is how it swatches. Oh God, no. Oh no.
There's no pigment.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. You tell me. You can't say that this doesn't look patchy. And I'm literally just packing on the color, and I'm just sincerely just trying to blend it out. And I'm so scared to blend it out any more than what I'm doing right now, out of fear that it's just going to completely just evaporate. Okay, so that's one petal, and I'm gonna use different colors from the palette to work on, to go off of. We'll be right back with this eye. The eyeshadow, the white eyeshadow is chalky at best. It's just, oh God, look at this. This is just, and I'm like packing, you can literally see that the head of the brush is just filled with eyeshadow, and it's not blending at all. But I'm still gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna do like a really pretty makeup look on this side, really colorful, and we'll see if it can redeem itself. But so far I'm not impressed at all. We got one more color. I don't know, so far I hate the colors. I think they're coming out. I'm using the same C eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be using this pink color right over here. It's the same one I used on this one. It reads kind of red, honestly, but in the palette, it looks kind of more like a reddish pink. And I'm just going to apply it all over my lid, kind of create an eyeshadow look with one eyeshadow. I'm just packing on that color on the top. I'm going to be using this color. I'm just going to pack it. And then I'm going to be taking that same angled eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to go at the top and just blend it out. And I don't have any additional product, and I'm literally just blending it up and kind of in an angle. Without using any additional product, I'm just going to be using the angled eyeshadow brush and to transfer some of the color in the bottom, making a smoky look. Okay, we're going to be taking a little bit of color. Easy trick if you want to get underneath the waterline and you want to really blow out and make it a really pretty smoky look. Take the mirror above your head so you look up, and you'll be able to get right underneath that lash line without totally bothering your eyes. I'm just going to be taking mascara from Milk Cosmetics. You know, it's just a regular, everyday, normal daytime look. Okay, and if you don't like the flower look, I highly suggest you go with just one eyeshadow that you really, really love, and just building that up and just making a really simple, really quick smoky eye. If you want a tutorial on that, let me know. I will bring in a look together, probably using this same color. So far in the entire palette, this pink red color is the only one that's actually doing somewhat of a decent job. It takes a little bit of work to blend it, honestly, if I'm being honest, but once it's blended, oh God, even then, can you guys see this? Is it just me? Like, it just feels really patchy, and it's such a shame because it's such a beautiful color that I'm just so sad that it's not more pigmented. Part of me kind of feels like, you know, hey, what do you expect for $8? But you go with like NYX, you go with companies like NYX, and they have palettes that are just as expensive or just as inexpensive with enormous color payoff. So I'm not quite feeling the love on this one. I'm just gonna be doing the rest. Just gonna get a smaller brush, and I'm gonna be doing the rest of that eyeshadow look. Okay, I'm gonna be taking a smaller precision brush from e.l.f. to just do a little bit more of the smaller flowers. I'm just gonna use different colors in the palette, light, dark, orange, brown. See which colors pay off. Is it just me, or is this orange color showing off more yellow than the actual color? Interesting. Next, I'm going to be taking Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color, liquid lipstick in the color Karina. Which is a really bright, like really pretty pink. Kind of almost like a watermelon pink. All right, guys, that is the final look. Here's the final look. It's cute, it's okay. Like I said, this was just for fun. I wanted to see the eyeshadow palette and see how it worked. All in all, I am not impressed, to be honest. I love the color. I love the color story. I think it's so pretty. To me, it's just 60s vibe. It's spring vibes. It's so super pretty. I especially love this color right here, which is like almost like a brick pinky red. It's really, really pretty. That yellow, this yellow right here, not pigmented at all. It doesn't show up yellow on the skin at all. And I have kind of I have an olive skin tone complexion. If you have a lighter complexion, it might show up yellow for you, probably with the base, but with the others, I put bases on and it's still really patchy, especially the purple one right here. I don't know if you can see it. And this one, I kind of gave up because I was like, it's not going to be super pigmented with a base or not. So I just kind of used a small precision brush, plopped it on, put on a little peace sign. It's kind of a 60s inspired look, so why not? Honestly, I got more color payoff off of the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick than I did with this palette, to be honest. If I had to give it a grade, I'd probably give it a 4 out of 10. If you're new to makeup, if you're brand new to makeup, and if you're just really trying to learn and craft and hone your skills without spending a whole lot of money, this is an amazing buy. It gives you tons of different colors. It does tons of different options for looks. However, if you're someone that's more familiar with makeup, I would find something else. Probably the Inglot palette. Very similar, super pigmented. You get so much for your money, even though it's actually quite expensive. I believe it's on the $80 range. I don't know, I'll find out somewhere. But I kind of give it a thumbs down. I'm sorry. The colors, the feel of the formula was very nice. It was very silky and creamy, but as soon as it hit your skin, it just immediately got patchy, and I can tell you right now, it is not going to stay very well. I would be really shocked if it stayed and it didn't start to disintegrate. I'd be very, very shocked. But no, it's great for the collection. But definitely not something that I would buy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna buy another eyeshadow palette of this. Maybe I should. Maybe I'll buy another eyeshadow palette. I really, really want to give this brand a chance. So maybe this palette just didn't work out. There are several other palettes that I can try. There's a few others that I saw at Target that I really, really liked. So we'll see how the color pays off. So far, I think the only eyeshadow that I'm probably going to be using is probably the red, or the pinky red, just because it makes my eyes look so nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you stopping by. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm and it helps me grow as a content creator. If you liked what you saw and you like my other videos, hit that subscribe button. I upload a video every single Friday. Hopefully 12 Pacific Standard Time, but right now I'm just kind of focusing on just getting a video out on Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. See you guys next week. Bye. Boom.